Welcome. If you want to make sure X app always asks for camera permission before using your camera, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable Ask Every Time for camera access on X app. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. This is where you control all your device's main features and privacy settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps, or it might be listed as App Management, depending on your device. This section lets you see all the apps installed on your phone and manage their permissions. Now, look through the list and find X app. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of apps installed. Once you've found X app, tap on it to open its settings page. Inside the X app settings, tap on Permissions. Here, you'll see a list of all the permissions that X app can request, like location, microphone, and of course, camera access. Find Camera in the list and tap on it. You'll see several options for how X app can use your camera. To make sure you're always in control, select Ask Every Time. With this option, X app will prompt you for permission each time it wants to access your camera, so you can decide on the spot whether to allow or deny it. That's it. You've now set X app to ask for camera access every time it needs it. This is a great way to protect your privacy and make sure you're always aware when your camera is being used. If you ever want to change this setting, just repeat these steps and choose a different option. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing app permissions and keeping your device secure.